Thank you for your purchase from the Rich Beard. My goal is to make sure you know exactly how to use your products for the best results. Boost powder. How do you use it? This is a very fun and unique product. You could use this product to style your hair all day, no matter what. If you take your hat off, you can still restyle your hair. If you're riding your bike and you get off the bike, you can still hop off and restyle your hair to a perfect style. Let me show you how to use it. All you got to do, you would point and pump directly as many as you want directly into your hair, and you would open up your fingers and work it around just like so. Like I said, this is going to give you a texture and a style that you can do all day long. It's going to give you immediate volume and immediate texture. This is a very popular product. Pro tip, it pairs perfectly with the grooming spray. What you do with the grooming spray is you would just finish it off with 4 to 5 pumps directly on top. It's gonna help reduce any residue that was left over on the top of your hair, adding a little bit more texture and a little bit more volume. These two are actually the best sellers. It's not about one purchase, it's about results. Earn your style today with the Rich Beard.